Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're making another fruit smoothie. So to make this one you need 4 ingredients. So here we have 1 banana, here we have a handful of ice, about 4 rings of pineapple that we've cut into smaller chunks. If you have fresh pineapple, go ahead and use it, but we're only having canned at the moment, so we're using canned. Also make sure that it's very cold, and orange juice as well. So like usual in the blender we're going to put in the bananas, the pineapple, ice cubes, and lastly orange juice. We're just going to blend it like usual. We're going to start at the pulse function and then we'll just blend it at 1. So this is what they look like after we've served them, and they're cool to the touch, and as you can see they're nice and really well blended. It looks very creamy from here, so I can't wait to try it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's little video, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.